Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate website monitoring with Pingdom, beginner guide step by step clearly. To automate website monitoring with Pingdom, start by creating a Pingdom account. Visit pingdom.com and click on the sign up button. Fill in your email and create a password, then confirm your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Click on the Add Check button to start monitoring a new website. Choose the type of check you want to create. For basic uptime monitoring, select HTTP or HTTPS. Enter the URL of your website in the provided field. Next, specify the check interval, like every minute or 5 minutes. For critical checks, set the sensitivity level higher. Optional features include setting up alerts for downtime. Go to the Alerts section and add the contact methods you prefer. You can choose to receive alerts via email, SMS, or push notifications. Once you have configured the settings, click Create Check. You will see your new check added to the dashboard for monitoring. Pingdom will now automatically monitor your website based on your settings. To view uptime reports, navigate to the Reports section. Here, you can track performance metrics over time. Adjust the settings or checks as needed for optimal monitoring. Make sure to periodically check your alerts and reports to stay updated. Your website monitoring with Pingdom is now fully automated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment. And if the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.